Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 1 of my videos on practicing loop structure that are while loop, for loop and do while loop practice in C++. In this series we will perform 10 tasks. First 2 tasks are based on while loop, so let's have a look on how while loop works. Here is the syntax of while loop, the keyword while, then in the round brackets we put the condition, and then in the curly brackets there is body. After the initialization, while condition is checked, and if the condition is true, the body of the while condition, the while executes, and then once again the condition is checked. This process continues until the condition is false. If the condition is false, the control will exit the loop. Task number 1 is to write a program that returns the sum of first n natural numbers, where n is the number entered by the user. We will use while loop to perform this task. Task number 2 is to write a program that asks the user to enter 2 numbers and print the first 10 terms of the Fibonacci series using while loop. Fibonacci series are the series in which every term is the sum of preceding 2 terms. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.